Venture into the heart of mystery as we explore the heights of ancient mountains, unveiling the secrets of strange Greek statues that stand as silent sentinels against the passage of time. Among these majestic peaks, we encounter the extraordinary statues of women, each a unique expression of Greek artistry. These enigmatic sculptures, with their captivating beauty, offer a glimpse into the artistic prowess and cultural richness of ancient Greece. Delve into the stories behind these strange statues that have weathered the elements for centuries. From their tranquil mountain perch, they bear witness to the eons of history, preserving tales of the past in their stone forms. Behold the intricate craftsmanship that defines these Greek statues, with each curve and contour telling a story of grace and elegance. Their beauty is not merely skin-deep, it's a reflection of the artistic mastery that has captivated hearts for generations. As we conclude our brief journey through the misty mountains and the intriguing Greek statues they cradle, let these sculptures inspire awe and appreciation. In just over a minute, we've touched upon the enduring allure and value of these remarkable pieces of art. Join the conversation on these ancient wonders, where the mountains guard not only their secrets, but also the beauty that transcends time. Stay tuned for more explorations into the fascinating world of statues.